So today.
Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Kuya G.E. Kuya Q. Happy birthday, Kuya John Lloyd. Happy birthday, John Lloyd. Happy birthday, Kuya John Lloyd. Happy birthday, Kuya John Lloyd. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya JL.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, JL. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ta-ta-ta!
Ano wish mo kay Kajel?
Sana magkakita na kami.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Ano wish?
Good luck ikaw alagi. Sana magkaroon ka ng good luck araw-araw.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Mag-aral ka mabuti.
Ingat.
Love ka namin palagi.
Sana magkita na tayo.
Happy birthday sa unang baby pamangkin ko. Enjoy life. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya JL, your 21 birthday. Many more blessing. Tuloy mo lang ang pangarap mo na maging engineer. Good luck.
Happy 21st birthday, Kuya JL. Ituloy mo lang ang pangarap mo. God bless ya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dong John Lord. Kumusta diha, Dong? Pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral mo dyan, Dong, ha? Amping kanunay, miss you na. God bless. Maura to, wa may lain kaingon. Kita ra tapuhon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Dong JL. God bless.
Happy birthday, be. Amping diha kanunay, be, ha. Wag makalimot lagi magpasalamat sa Diyos sa lahat ng blessing. Mag-aral kang mabuti dyan, be. Tandaan mo, lagi ka namin hinihintay dito pag uwi mo. Sana mabisita mo kami. Bye-bye, be. God bless you more, be. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. 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 Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, JL. Sana maging mabait kang anak ng mama mo. Sana makatapos ka sa pag-aaral mo para sa future mo. And God bless you more. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Dong JL, happy birthday Dong. More blessings to come. Kibaw ko nga na kay bagong ride. So enjoy it. But be safe always. Mag-amping jud ta kanunay Dong.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Birthday ng JL, ika-21 nga kasumaran sa imong adlaw na tawhan. May God bless you, many more birthdays to come. Amping ka kanunay, labi rin sa imong pag-eskwela o pagmanihon nimo buhon sa imong bagong motor. Amping ka ng JL o imong mama, proud kay sa imo ha. Ulitaw na ka, dako na ka, o be matured na, o God bless good kanunay kanimo Dong, og happy birthday.
Hello Dodong GL, happy birthday, happy 21st birthday Dong. Andong, nya sa kayaw-yawan man ni imuhang iyaan, nagmotor-motor mangyug ka, amping dong ha sa imong yumot-mot. Kay ingon na ba ko nimo auto ang imuhang drivean, dili ka magmotor-motor nya. Kay naa naman na amping unya dong ika humani mo graduate, get a job og tagain nag-apo si mama nimo. Joke. Happy birthday dong.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
GL. Happy birthday. Happy 21st birthday. Welcome to your legality. Then, bisa pilahay pa man to, no? 21 damang ka karon. Then, before, gamay pa kay ka nga kanang ningari og Cebu, daghan kay kag mga adventure sa life na nahitabo. Then, karon, happy ko. I sure mommy nga kanang naabot ka ana nga stage sa imong pagtungha karon despite nga imong mama nga nasa abroad. Then buutan ka nga nagsubay, isip usa ka anak kay tungod pod sa pag-guide pod sa imuhang mga tao nga nagmahal nimo, nagpalibot nimo, imuhang lulog-lulog, imong tiyo og tiya si Boris Jerome og si Dina og kauban sad sa imuhang mga igagaw. Ang ako lang wish nimo dong and behalf sa akong family nga unta magpadayon ka sa imuhang mayong plano sa imuhang kinabuhi. I mean, labi na karon nga mga batan-on nga daghan kaayo og mga vices bitaw, so dili lang unta ka mo sunod sa ilaha, imuhang lantawon gyud ang imuhang nindot nga future. Hopefully sooner mo graduate ka dayon. Wish nako nga successful ka sa kung unsa man ang imuhang mga plan sa imuhang life pohon. I-enjoy lang dong, ayaw lang sa pagdali-dalig ninyo dong, kay gwapo bitaw ta. Dili lang sa ta magdali. Dayon, kibaw ka nga, bisag dili ko permi or kami mo reach out nimo, pero always welcome ka diri sa mong balay. Anytime, pwede ka mo stay diri, pwede ka mangayo og mga advices nako kung if ever nga kay mga problema. So open arms ko nga mo help nimo. Kay balo ka kung unsa may kasuod si imong mama, kung unsa ang pagtagad og paglove sa imong mama diha nimo, same ra pod ang amuan ni Daddy Lando nimo. I love you. Then akong mga angels dire nag-extend pod og birthday messages diha kanimo. Dayon GL, happy birthday. We love you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Hello dong, maing adlaw. Greet ko nimo dong happy 21st birthday dong. Dalit siging panahon dong. Sa una bata ko ka, madagandagam dud ka sa una nga way purol. Pero karon ang chicks na mo guko di mo. Dito dong padayonan na imong pagkabuutan dong. Panggaay yung mama, kanunay o pag-amping pirmi. O imong pangandoy matuman nimo dong. Kana dong.
Happy 21st birthday, Uncle! Uncle ba na siya, do? Ang Uncle. Hi! Hindi ka tawa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Boss Knock. Wishing you all the best on your 21st birthday. Keep doing what you're doing. You're doing a good job. Peace.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Nak! Happy 21st birthday! Today, I'm so proud of the man you are becoming.
Walang nakudamhan na 21 years old na diay ka. Dali ra kaayo ang panahon, starting na ka sa imuhang own journey sa life. At 21, life will give you many choices, challenges, and opportunities. Pero ang ma-advise na ko nimo is simply, always be kind, stay humble, never stop believing in yourself. Success is important, but your character matters even more. Treat people with respect, work hard for your dreams, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes will help you grow. No matter where life takes you, I'm always here for you. I love you, I believe in you, and I pray for your happiness and success always. Enjoy this special day. Treat yourself and step into this new year of your life with confidence and hope. Happy birthday, Nak. I love you. Amping kanunay and stay healthy.